Our group is Action and Encouragement, and these are our decision points. Body system. Interested students and staff will get paired with a peer to encourage sustainable life choices and provide a way to overcome barriers to participation in university projects and events. Community garden. Create a garden space to foster community and reconnect the VOOT population with nature. Monthly climate change related presentations. Invite a monthly researcher to educate interested attendees on developments and challenges related to climate change, to raise awareness and keep it on the radar of the public eye. Repair and repurposing workshops. Hold events to reduce the wasting of repurposable materials.